Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Homewerks Ceiling Exhaust fan. Here we have some instructions on how to install the ventilation fan. Where you can install it as well. Here you have the cover. And here is the motor with the rest of the housing. It comes with some screws, 6 screws to be exact. This is what bends out. It closes when not in use, so you don't have any draft back, and it opens when you're using it. And here is the motor. And this is where you have your bent out. And here are your cables. Couple of screws here, some there. And after you install this on the ceiling, you'll have this to cover it up. This measures 7 1/4 by 7 3/4, just about. The back is 9 3/4, and this measures 10 inches by 10 inches. And this, your exhaust, it's 4 inches. This side is close to 5 inches to 5 inches. The height of this is 5 3/4. Hopefully this video helps you in any way. Thank you and enjoy.